I received these Termitor by Farron LED headlights for a review, and this is a paid review, and it was a free product. Let's take a look at these. Just unpackage them here. Oh, those look slick, don't they? They have their own little fan for keeping them cool on the side there. Look at that. Those look slick. And you know what? They have some great features too. They feature 50,000 hour light span. They're CAN bus ready, easy installs, and they're built for off-road conditions. So just first, find where your old halogens are installed and put your glove on and just give them a little twist and they pop right out. See that? So just, then just pop those halogen lights out of the socket, and then just line up your connectors just like so. And then just plug them together, just like that. Line it up, put them inside there, and give them a little twist. That's all there is to it. Do the same thing on the other side. And here's how they look in the daytime. Here's the before, and here's the after. What an incredible difference. Go out and get yourself some Termitor by Farron LED headlight.